time corner.
Hey kids, we are back. Today we are going to do an episode about the water cycle. So all the time, water is moving between the oceans, the atmosphere, the land, and the lakes, rivers, and vegetation. Water evaporates from the oceans, condenses into the air, and makes clouds. Water from the clouds falls as rain and runs down into rivers and into the ocean. This movement of water is called the water cycle. And what we are going to do today is we are going to do a little experiment that shows...
Hey, Mommy, I'll tell you what made the ocean have all the germs. It overflowed and overflow pipe. That was supposed to done, but that did all that germs.
That's what gave the ocean germs?
Yes.
Okay. So we are going to make a model of the water cycle, and we're going to see how it works. And in order to do this experiment, we're going to use a glass, some dirt, ice cubes, and we also have these little plastic pieces. And we're going to put these little plastic pieces in the cup. We're going to fill this with dirt. It looks like a little mountain. You can see the land. Careful. And we also have this little piece that looks like a cloud. We're going to put that on top, and it's going to hold our ice. So let's get started. All right, are you ready to do this, Jacob?
Yes. Kids, this is where I need my drink from.
You're getting your drinks in there? So we have this little mountain shape, and we need to fill it up with some dirt.
Yes.
Where's some dirt at?
Here.
Well, that's like hard rock dirt.
Yeah.
We need some regular dirt. Get a drink. We have some dirt over here in these potting, and these over here. Come here.
Now we did it from these pots.
Yeah. So fill this up.
That to make it look like land.
Yeah, because what's the land made out of?
That.
That's right.
Love bug.
Love bug.
That made it look like outside for us. There.
We need to fill it up all the way.
But yeah, I did. There.
Nope, fill it up all the way. We need more. Look.
Excuse me.
So we have our little piece of land, and there's this little piece with little holes in it, and it's gonna go right in here, and it's gonna seal this shut. So we're gonna just squeeze that in there.
But the devil pipe fall out.
Think some dirt might fall out. I might have told Jacob to put just a little too much dirt in there, so we're gonna empty a little bit of the dirt out. Okay. Squeeze this back up. Okay, so this is gonna represent the land that we have. And we're going to put it on our little base, so it's all sealed in there. Next we need our glass. We have a glass right here. And we are going to put our earth into the bottom of this glass. There we go. Okay, now what we need is we need some water. We need some water to fill into the bottom. You think you can go get us some water?
Man.
Okay. Jacob's going to go get us some water, kids. Okay, so we got a little bit of earth right here, and we got to add some water into this. Ooh, here, ooh, ooh, ooh. So we're gonna, hopefully it drains down. We're hoping it drains down. It's slowly draining down. So let's keep waiting, because we need it to fill the bottom. Let's add a little bit more. Oh no! Okay kids, so we went ahead and we got our earth in here, and then we put the water on the bottom.
Yeah.
Now what we need is we have this little cloud, and we're going to put the cloud on top. But in order to make the cloud, come back here buddy, we need some ice. So can you take a couple pieces of this ice, and you're going to put it right up here on the cloud.
Okay.
Oh, we need some more.
What's one more?
Put another one on there. Yeah, that's good. Okay, kids, so we went ahead and we set this up. Now what we need is a lamp. The lamp is going to represent the sun. So we're going to bring a lamp over here and we're going to put it on top.
The sun's out right now. It's evening. It's not too hot.
All right, kids, so we got our lamp turned on and it's acting like the sun. Let's see if it's on or not. It's on, Jacob. All right, come here. Now we're going to watch. We have our little earth set up, and we have our ice on top, which is acting like our clouds. So we're supposed to notice that some water is going to collect in the dip of the mountain, which represents a lake. So right in the bottom, there's going to be some water. And there is. It's wet. Some water. You're going to see some water in the soil, and it's going to collect in the base of the mountain.
Yes, Auntie, I have to move this over here.
And that's going to represent underground water. So eventually, we're hoping to see some condensation at the top of this mountain, and it's going to make a cloud. And that cloud is going to make little droplets, and it's supposed to fall down like rain. So we're just going to watch a while. We're going to watch a while, and we're going to see if it happens. Okay kids, it's been about 8 minutes. If you look up here, I don't know if you can see some of the condensation dots on top of our cloud. That's going to represent the cloud, and the drops are going to represent the rain that's going to fall down onto the earth. And if you look down here, some of the water got into the bottom part underneath the earth. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. That's going to represent the underground water. So that water will get evaporated up here to the cloud with the little droplets, which is the rain, and as soon as it collects enough rain, those little droplets will fall down like rain onto the earth, and it will keep going and going and going, and that's called the water cycle. Okay kids, I hope you enjoyed learning about the water cycle, but first I'm going to tell you a couple fun facts.
Yeah.
You ready for some fun facts?
Yeah.
About the water cycle?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So the water in the ocean is salty, but rain is made of fresh water. That's because the minerals in the sea are left behind when the water evaporates.
Yeah.
Also, in 100 years, an average particle of water spends 98 years in the ocean on its way around the water cycle. That's a lot of years.
Yeah.
And our third and final fact. The water going around the water cycle today is the same exact water that was going around the water cycle when the dinosaurs were alive. So we have the same water as the dinosaurs.
Hey look, 2 love bugs.
We got love bugs flying around here.
Yeah.
Right, tell the kids bye, tell them thank you.
Thank you.
Please come watch us again. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.
Yeah, bye. Oh, a love bug. It's